What's up, guys? We're back. We got Kurt over here running the drill press, and we're gonna get back to work on the cross cart. We're gonna get the other side of the suspension on and see how far we can get. Stay tuned.
Alright guys, so we are copying the other side that we did in our last video. It's just a lot of repetitive stuff, like we got all these tacked on, all our heim joints, and now we're just copying everything from that side to this side. And it's kind of exciting to see it come together, the full width of this.
Yeah, we didn't want to like show you all the little stuff that we did on this side, because obviously, I mean, no sense in showing you twice. It's just mirrored over there, so.
Yeah, and you guys can check out our last video we uploaded if you want to see that in more detail. So. Alright guys, so we're wrapping up for the day. I finished tacking this side all up, basically copied the other side. It looks pretty sweet. We got it up in the air. This will probably be the max ride height, but we love how it turned out. We threw the tires on here. It's coming along good. In our next video, we're going to get the diff mounted and start working our way forward.
Yeah, and it's gonna be a little bit shorter video than what we're used to putting out, but it was kind of just a repeat of this side, so really no sense in making you guys watch all that stuff again because it's just the same thing twice. And like Kurt said, if you want to check out the other video, head over there. Also, make sure to subscribe, leave us a comment. You guys have been killing it lately and helping us out. Leave us a like, and we're getting close to 5,000 subs, guys, and Kurt and I have been talking about some stuff that we want to do to kind of get back a little bit. So yeah, stay tuned for that. We're just pumped that we've been gaining this much traction, and it's actually kind of surprising. So thanks a lot, guys, and we really appreciate you watching. And thanks for watching Cracked House and Fab.